Lakini sometimes our politician wanakuanga tu wakora. Ati saa Kalonzo ana appeal for help. Miaka yote hujagather pesa ya kujisimamia politics. Naongea politics na kitu iko live. Tuankuche. Okay. Now, where do I think this market is going? I think, let me enlarge the screen in a way everyone can see. Market is around bank level -0. There is nothing like -0. Market is around 0 level. Remember, it has bought from level 1, the -1. This is level -1 here, down here, and then market has been buying. I need to put my microphone. Market has been buying from level -1, slightly missed it, but I don't know, there is something which happens here most of the time, but I know why it missed that. And then market has been buying. Market is now around level 0. The question is, are we going to see a rejection back to level 1, or we will have a continuation trade? Let me enlarge the screen and say, close. Should be somewhere there, and then this way. I'm anticipating that market to sell from that point. Level 0. Let me open the daily candle. It's looking funny. Then market is back to level 0. So I'm expecting a selling market from there. I need to see something which I know. This is 5 minutes. A close of a 5-minute candle is there. What do they want to do now? Apart from reversing price and sending it down. Opening of a new 5-minute candle, 11:25, and then this is 10. Just a little bit. As you can, I need to show you something. This is 4-hour time frame, this is weekly, and this is monthly time frame. So I'm anticipating this market to push till the law of this the law of March The law of March is what you should be focusing mostly on. Banks are watching the law of March. That law which was formed during March is what banks are focusing on. And then we can go to the normal chart, and then I will put low volume. My color list big inspection. Everyone watch 43.40. Maximum sell point is 43.40. Is what you should be paying attention to. The law formed in March, the last month of distribution phase of accumulation phase. Banks are taking price there. Price there by end of this month. Yeah. Chanuka. Yeah, that everyone trading Kasao USD. Yeah. Everyone trading Kasao USD, pay attention to the law formed in March, the last accumulation phase, the last month of accumulation phase of the year. You should be paying attention to that bank level 43.33 is where the banks are entering from. I'm just watching market. I'm doing literally nothing. If I get a short setup, then ensure you fund. I'm going to alert you. I'm going to alert you. La 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 la. We say you just sit and watch candles print. That That is what forex is. Just sitting down and watching candle print without getting in hurry. You dum. I don't even know if this thing is working. I'm testing out to do live with PC, so I don't know if I know what I'm even doing. I will get better with streaming on YouTube, and you guys will get to know. You will get to access the signals more easily, because now I'm struggling. I don't even know what I'm doing. But if you can hear me, that is what matters for now. That is what matters for now. If you can see the screen, and if you can see the screen, and you can hear my voice, this is my first day streaming using a PC. So, boom, ba-boom, 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 da-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Let me check if you guys are texting me. Say hi if my live is very much okay. I hear you so good and your screen is visible. That's good. Actually, that's very good. And that is what I needed. Now I will be able to teach easily without problems. I can be teaching here live on YouTube. Yeah. So let me now show you something. Watch here 4333.42. I want to get better with YouTube, but if you can hear me, you can see my screen, then I can teach you something. I can start teaching you something. The problem, I think I need to have another phone where I can read your comments and stuff. I'm not behind. Come live trade with me on YouTube now. Fund and come. You see, I told you market is going to sell from 43.33, and you can see, but they have tried to manipulate market for a bit, but here is where your stop loss comes in. You put a stop loss of 50 or 50 pips or something, so market will just go against you by 20 pips and come back to your direction. I know where they want to take the price. I'm pretty sure there are some double lows here. The low of yesterday here, this low, the low of yesterday, this low of yesterday, where they took buys from. I wonder why I never saw this. Very stupid. I should have entered buys there. I never took that buy, but it's pretty fine. Pretty fine. Pretty fine. So me, I'm anticipating that market is coming to these double lows. So I'm using all these bank levels to take the market there. That's why I usually market sold from level 1. Here you can see this was pure manipulation which was happening. Let me show you something. But now here you usually use time because they broke out. This was a fake breakout from 40, 47, 30, 43, 47. That was a fake breakout. So if it's a fake breakout, what do? You wait for time. 9 a.m. when I was posting the video about my analysis. 9 a.m. is around here. So they are using time. After 9 a.m. they rushed market to level 1 and then market reversed. Market did what? They reversed price. Market came to level 0. Immediately bought from there. They took the market to level 0.5 and then they sold, broke level -1, retest, sell, come down. They were now hunting level -1. After they hunt level -1, it failed to tap it, but I know I have seen this most of the time, failing to tap, but eventually buying. I know when it's tapping and when it's not tapping. So they took it back to level 0.5 and level 0, and this was a big candle. So this big candle was manipulation. This was a manipulation candle, and then market came down, and now I'm anticipating the market to, I need the candle confirmation for me to enter sales. But if you just entered sell the moment that bank level is tapped, you're pretty sure it will retrace for a bit before it's going upside. La 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 la. Live streaming on YouTube is much fun. No one is distracting me. I'm not seeing the chat. I'm not seeing people trying to control my trading. But I will be live streaming for even 24 hours. If taking every trade here on YouTube. And that is what I will basically be doing. So bye TikTok. I have got a better option now. Yeah, because TikTok you have even traders trying to destroy your life, and I don't like that. It's now market is around level 0. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? They are consolidating market around level 0. Why? I don't know. Even me, I don't know. Because this is pure nonsense, this happening on level 0. And if you try to trade this, you will be taken out. You will be purely taken out. So you don't need to trade that. So if you see market doing nonsense, instead of tapping and moving on your side, then stay alert, my friend. You can see, are you seeing what currently market is doing? Consolidating around 0 level, meaning the 4-hour candle, which will open around around 12 p.m. 10 10 10 10 we will have a bigger move later in the day. You guys, are you not seeing a selling day or a consolidating day? But market has to take out the low in March, and today is date 9. The low in March must be taken out first. They have to take out that low before anything else happens. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know if I disconnected from the live or what's happening. Retest on level 0 and taking the price upside to where? Show me. 43.40. Eyes there. But now when I see market is like this, what I normally do is wait for time. Wait for time. Time will make you avoid a lot of consolidation. It's either you wait the beginning of a 15-minute candle, or beginning of a 30-minute candle, or a 1-hour candle. There is when market is having some quite big moves. But majorly I usually tell people to wait for 1-hour candle to open, because on 1 hour traders trading the 5 minutes, traders trading 15, traders trading the 30 minutes, they all not even traders, algorithm set to react on after 5 minutes, algorithm set to react after 10 minutes, algorithm set to react after 15 minutes, algorithm set to react after 20 minutes, algorithm set to react after 30 minutes. Is all of them they combine, and like they meet at opening of a 1-hour candle. So that 1 minute candle of every 1-hour candle open is very key. You should be paying attention to that candle. Like even now, if I try to locate where that 1 minute candle is, you will find it's somewhere unique. You can see, where's that 1 minute candle? This is the first 1 minute candle of 11 a.m. Never tapped any of our bank level. Where is 4p? Where is 10? Just see 10. 10 was here. This was 10. Not tapping the bank level, but they pushed market 10 a.m. tapped level 0, and then they sold. 11 a.m. what they did, they tried to run the market to level -1, and then they moved the market to the upside. That is what you should be putting your eyes on. I don't know if I'm on YouTube alone or I'm talking in the house by myself. Let me see if I'm still streaming. I'm still new. No, I'm still streaming. This is nice. Nice. Someone. I can see. Now I can see the message when I'm on the other side. I'm trying to learn how to use this YouTube thing and give you correct. And now we will be trading together. We will be trading together. Together. And now can you see how the market is trying to sell? Because I really knew it's going to sell from level 0, but the problem is they were trying. There was a lot of manipulation on that level 0. They have manipulated it a lot. That's why you are seeing it's going down with high speed. If they manipulate any of the bank levels, then if it's a manipulation sell, market usually reverses with high speed. There is a manipulation sell or a manipulation buy of the bank points, and that is what you should be very keen with. As you can see, level 0 market went there, and now we are selling. We are selling the market. Damn. Are you saying that? And it's selling nicely. Nothing can stop that price from moving down unless it's level. It has to come to this level, which is it failed to tap level 4320.17. Because that sell, if it has left you, then you should be watching 4320.17. That is bank level 4320.19. Remember, these bank levels are given on my YouTube channel every day at exactly 9 a.m. You can see basically this is the structure of the forex market. You can see since I gave you, market went to level 0, level 1 up here, it was selling, come to level 0, back to level 0.5, then sell to level 0.5, no, break level 0, retap level 0, then going down, back to level 0, and then selling. This is giving you the framework of the banking structure. So if you have the banking structure, you should be able to know how you are going to enter, and there is where the candle language comes in. You are able to understand candles and the power of the daily codes and stuff, and where that 4-hour candle is opening and stuff and stuff. That's why I told you to watch the market keenly. So because I'm watching, I know it's going to 4320.17. Let me open the other phone so that I can see your comments. Like, the screen is dark on my side. I don't even know what I'm doing. And someone who is good on YouTube can come and help me on how to set these things. I need somebody to help me with. I need someone to. Now you can type on the chat. I can see I have the other phone. I am using this phone. You can say hi. I can see hello from Mercy, Samuel. And sure, you tap the screen. You like the live as we are trading live. Let me add some volume to as we are trading live. This is very cool. This is better than TikTok. This is better than TikTok by way too far. Way too far. So now I know the cheat code. If you are here, just make sure you just like the live. Yeah, you don't say tap, you say live. You like. Actually, I will be streaming every day for 12 hours because I'm in the house alone. 10. I have nothing else. You can't see me. You can't know what I'm doing. There is no pressure. The chat is hidden. Like, I'm just talking with the background and I'm watching Rise. This is cool. I never knew YouTube is this cool to stream. Yeah. And there is no unnecessary disruption. Now, we are watching 43.20 and I'm watching 43.40, 43.33. That is where I want that price to go. Yep. One thing you should learn as a trader is learn to be patient. Patient. Learn to be patient. Patient. Patience to wait for the candle to print. Patience to learn. Patience to wait for your setup. You're not just seeing a bank level and you're rushing to enter an entry. No. Patience is money in this forex market. The more patient you are, the more money you make. The more you rush to make decisions, the more this market is going to take money from you. I want that market to come to level -1, that is 43.20, so that I can take action. But the bad thing about trading is, now at least I can be talking and the people who I'm talking to, they can't even see me. I don't even know who is watching me, who is not watching me. I'm just streaming. This is cool. I was getting bored with TikTok. A lot of people, they are not even traders. They are not others. They're just there for the fun of it. But YouTube, I don't think someone who is not interested in trading can come and watch you for even 1 minute. Yeah, that is the good thing about trading on YouTube. Cool, I can share the full PC and stuff. We can see the bank level incomplete. Actually, tomorrow 9 a.m. I will live stream marking the bank levels. That is what I will be doing. All of us, we are waiting market to go to 43.20. So you can sell market to 43.20. Just look for a good re-entry, because we have to go to 43.20. But make sure that market does not break 43.33.42, because if it breaks there, then you will get fucked. So just remember, this market is planned. Everything is predetermined. Every 4-hour candle, high and its low. Try hard to calculate and try to know, can I predict the exact point where that 4-hour candle high and low will form? If you know that, where that exact point where that 4-hour candle high and low will form, then I can guarantee you're going to make money. Stop trying to trade market structure. That's bullshit. Try to predict every 4-hour candle, its high and its low. Remember, we are selling the high of that 4-hour candle and we are buying the low of that 4-hour candle. We are selling the high of that 4-hour candle and we buy the low of a 4-hour candle. That is what Big Boss trades. We are using the 4-hour chart, but we are controlling the 4-hour chart in 1 minute. Control the 4-hour chart in 1 minute using the bank levels. As you can see, a 4-hour candle is opening in 3 minutes. A 4-hour candle is opening in 3 minutes. So and sometimes I will be silent even for like 20 minutes, because I can't speak blah. I'll just be speaking when I see a signal or stuff. Yeah, I told you to sell. Market has to go to 43.20. If you took your sell even now, I'm very much okay with that, because we have to go to 43.20. We have to go to 43.20. Unless that 4-hour candle open, you open no pussy. We have to go to 43.20, and I'm pretty sure of that. take out the previous candle 4-hour low, and then we will buy from there. La 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 la. And I told you, you should be having a 1 minute chart, and remember, you should only trade one pair, master one pair in and out, instead of trading a lot of pairs and you can't even make even $10 from the market. Trade one pair, master it, become a pro in trading that one pair. I'm waiting for the market to come to 4320.17 so that we can do other things. $43.20. I say now wait and see. Wait and see the power of the first 5 minutes of a 4-hour candle open. We are calling it live. Wait and see. The first 5 minutes, because market structure is timed. We just don't go to the market and you're just marking highs and lows randomly. No. You should be able to know this is the high of a 4-hour candle. Which 4-hour candle? That is what you should be focusing on. You should be focusing on that. I forgot to, people from YouTube, they don't have a way for 743919992. I think that's my contact. Object is not empty. Okay. Edit. We have to come to 4320. We have to come to 4320 plus 2543919992. Nope. I told you market has to come to you can see the power of the first 1 minute candle of a 4-hour candle open. This text is big. I need to, where do you reduce it? Parameters, black area. I need like 8. I don't want that big. Yeah. And then I want you to see the power, the first 5 minutes of every 4-hour candle. And another thing you should be very careful with is that first 1 minute candle of a 4-hour candle open. Market might form the high or the low of that 4-hour candle using the first 1 minute candle of that 4-hour candle. Because a 4-hour candle open, now you have the 2-hour candle opening, you will have the 1-hour candle opening, you have 5, you have 10, you have 30, you have 15. All those algorithms working on the smaller time frames, they all combine their powers and put more orders in the market at opening of a 4-hour candle. Remember, if you see the market moving with high speed, banks have already entered. Banks enter on consolidation so that they can catch the breakout move. If you see consolidation, just know, start positioning yourself in a way you will not be the liquidity of the banks. They consolidate, they accumulate orders. So if you see consolidation, just know they're accumulating orders. After they accumulate orders, now you're like, okay, these motherfuckers have accumulated orders. Then where is the bank levels? Where are their bank levels? Because they will consolidate either above a bank level or below it. If they consolidate inside a bank level, like today here, you will see a big candle getting out of breaking out that bank level. You can see this is a big candle breaking out, and then all this candle, this is pure consolidation inside them, inside this big 1 minute candle which was breaking this bank level. So they used this 1 minute candle which broke the bank level to manipulate orders in the market for the people with small amount capital. That's why I usually say, if you have small capital in trading, then your chances of making it you can see, if I mark the high of that 1 minute candle, you can see after it was taken out is when market went into a reverse direction. I'm tired of talking. Boom. And I have said, when you come to my live, ensure you like the screen. So when you are making analysis, you use 1 hour or 4 hour candle. Nope. When you are doing your analysis, you know, I hear people saying, use the higher time frame, use the higher time frame, you use your higher time frame. Now let's go to a 4 hour candle and I show you something. Now get out of the consolidate the bank levels analysis. Now this is a 1 hour candle. Why are you doing your analysis here? You see, people, you are trading this for 1 hour candle open, this one 12:00 opening of a new 4 hour candle opened like 5-6 minutes ago. And then what are you doing here? You are in 1 hour time frame and you are compressing price like this. Are you mad? Yeah, it's nice, you can compress and see how the market has been moving, but this one is pure garbage. Instead of compressing this one, so you just go to an higher time frame, but use the previous candle. Like here, 4 hour candle. Now this is what you do. Easy. Now this candle is, the previous candle was bearish, so there are high chances even the next candle will be bearish. So you just think, if it's bearish and the next candle is probably to be bearish, then where is the top, where is the highest banking level is, then you go sell from there. That's all you need. Or so okay, you are trading here. What are you analyzing here? As if this 1 hour 4 hour candle can patch up to here. No. Like if you go to the monthly time frame, like this 1 monthly time frame, no, the monthly time frame, you can see this low which was formed on March. Market is coming there clean. You are using like 3 previous candles of every time frame you are in. The previous 3 candles is what you are watching. 1, 2, 3. Those are the candles you should be focusing on. You move to the lower time frame again, you go to the weekly, you check 1, 2, 3. These are the candles you should be focusing on. What are you doing here? You find you are a day trader but you are marking this high. Sasa hii haitakusaidia na nini? For the long term view, Yes, it's very nice. But for day traders, it's pure garbage. You know, I see some people say compressing weekly time frame like this. What are you trying to do, my friend? You're going to hurt yourself. You are going to hurt yourself without even knowing. Like, you can see something like this. Unique things which happens on monthly time frames. This high, see this high, open, and this, and and uh, and this, that, weak high and weak low, and you just take the midpoint of it and you take this way, you take that. The midpoint of that is where market came, tapped yesterday and bought. But now those are the basic concepts of forex trading, where you just see a week. Let me go to one time frame, 1 minute time frame, and compress that and see. This is what makes traders feel like forex is rocket science. You can see market came, tapped that weekend, just bought. This was our level, negative 2.5 yesterday. That's where we are supposed to take buys from, moving upside. Go to my analysis yesterday, you will see I labeled here as the low of the day yesterday. You will see 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 there, and then market went upside. June 8th, which is episode 9, go and watch and see if I gave out this on my daily analysis. And I never even used the weekly time frame to analyze. No, that is how I trade, and that is how other people trade. Now let's go to the analysis and say, now let's watch the market right now. What do you think they are trying to do? Like YouTube live streaming is very, very, very nice. Very nice. Like, literally, I'm enjoying it. My first time trying to do it. Yeah. Like, I can basically even be coming here and teaching you things. Yeah. Like, I have the full screen. I can basically be teaching you something. Some things. Not everything. Some things. Yeah, but I can be giving you clues about the market because, like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Every forex strategy works. It's just a matter of going to the market and making money. You must be mad if this forex market is. Let me not say about that. This is not a Gikomba market where you just you just come into the market with your moving average and you're making money. 2026, using indicators, my friend. Check it. Just learn it the hard way. Can you see how my chart is clean? My chart is very clean. Very, very clean. But your chart is full of indicators. Why are you using indicators? And indicators, they just use the average of the last 14 candles. Average of the last previous 14 candles. Let me let me teach you how these indicators are coded. Even me, if I want, I can code an indicator and I start selling it online. So what they do is you just take the previous 14 candles and you're just measuring 80% of them, and that is what you call stochastics, RSI. The last previous 14 candles, and then you're taking 80%. If it's above 80% of the previous 14 candles, then your stochastic should be overbought or undersold, depending on the direction. Now, if you are trading like me today, your stochastic would have given you a million signals here. And how can you make money when you are trading more than 10 trades a day? You are not me. You are not the god of trading. You are just a beginner. Focus on 2 trades, 1 pair. Become good at that. Become good at that. I told you this market is not going anywhere until it goes to 43.20. We are not going anywhere till we tap 43.20. We are not going anywhere. And there are people who took some sales and they panicked. Why did you panic? You panic a lot when you're trading. You are approaching me. Oh, I don't know who you are. I'm panicking. You're panicking everywhere. Should not be panicking, man. We are in consolidation. No, we are not in consolidation. Where do you get the bank levels? How old are you, bro? I'm not old. Just old enough to. I just finished campus last year. Yeah. Who else has a question? Yeah, bro, be giving us live entries on YouTube. Yeah, everyone in this live is waiting for 43.20. Everyone, sit and watch 43.20 with your 2 eyes. Everyone, sit and watch 43.20 with your 2 eyes. Everyone, sit and watch 43.20 with your 2 eyes. Your 2 eyes. You're going to see what will happen. Yani you guys, you can't like my live. I will give you a super signal right here, right now. And this is Big Boss. Just know this is Big Boss. If I miss badly. But if I make crazy money. That is who I am. If I tell you it's a sure entry, bro, that one I don't miss. I don't miss sure entries. Like, I can't even. This is Big Baba. No. Get out of there. Get out of there. Someone is eating my donut. When I see using nini na what? Where's the what kitu ya mama? Yani kila saa nikushija umewatch vitu za chakula. Unajua unasikika hapa. Ongea tu hapo. Na vile unakuwa kaoga. Kuje uambie sasa. Nitaki kuambia sasa.
Quarterly period.
Inaitwa quarterly theory. You mind. Usitamke hivyo. Unajua nini nyingine? Na umenisikiza hapa.
Terminal under 2.5.
2.5 bank level. We, hebu endelea coach vitu zako pale. Watch zile. Sasa hii ni nini? Ni chakula?
Mzungu.
So ungekuwa tu chef na nini sasa? Unaenda kufanya vitu za udaktari za. Sasa hapa ni? Okay, so let me. So, so. Ba. Nataka kula kuku. Sasa ngoja nimalize kile nafanya. We're Danny. Mind your words. Everyone, I need everyone to be focusing on 43.20. That is where the market is going. It has to go there. It has to go there. It has to go there, yeah. It has to go there, yeah. Open your eyes and watch 43.20. You guys, you never like my life. It's okay. It's okay. It's my first day on YouTube, and you guys have been rude to me. Just ensure, another thing I noticed is zoom your screen. Live, you can zoom your screen here and see what's happening. And if you're using phone, put it in a vertical line so that you can see everything. Those lines are not, it's not even screen recording them nicely. But if you zoom clearly, you will see everything. Just zoom, you will see where I have marked those lines. You can zoom. That's the good thing about screen recording on YouTube. That is what I have noticed. You can zoom and make sure everything is visible on your side. Everyone, I need all of us to pay attention to 43.20. There is when we will enter our entries, either buy entries or sell entries. It will depend with the speed of that market and time when that market is coming to 43.20. Because we missed this buy left us with 0 point something, like with a difference of 5 pips. Never tapped there, so it never activated by my buy limits there, so it just went without me. And then there were these cells here. We had these cells here, this one, and then boom. And then I'm anticipating that market has to come to 43.20 no matter what. It is coming there. Let me enlarge the screen for all of us so that we can be able to see correctly. And I don't know why YouTube is not live streaming everything, like the whole screen. I want it to live stream the whole screen. I want it to live stream the whole screen. It's just sharing some part of it. This market is very stupid. Now where are you going without activating our buys? Where are you going without selling to 43.20? I'm not in any trade. I'm just waiting for 43.20.17 so that I can enter buys. Yeah. As long as it's not playing with 43.20, I'll be okay to buy there. And if you use stupid market, you'll to try. Let me see something. Midpoint of level 0. Midpoint of level 0 and level 1. That is the 0 level and 1. Can you see? Can you see what has reversed the price? I want to show you why the market has reversed from there. This is bank level 0, this is bank level -1. So the midpoint of it, you can say tap, buy, tap, try to violate it, come back with high speed. But I don't necessarily advise people to trade that bank level, because that is where the banks are adding money in the market. 0.5 is where they are adding money in the market. The level 0.5. I don't really teach that level because of two things. You will have a lot of lines in the market, and there is where the banks are adding money in the market. So if they are adding money in the market in level 0.5, that means that level will have a lot of consolidation, and if you don't take care of yourself, you're going to lose a lot of money. You can see after market tapping 43.33, it has, you can see a big candle. Why? There is where they are adding money. It's a bank level, so any candle tap in there, it has to be a big candle. You can see big candle, and even this one coming from the downside. Big candle, big candle here. Big one. Pum, then pum, then pum, then pum, then pum. But let's wait and see. I'm pretty sure they will not check that market anywhere else without going to bank level 43.20. It's either they will take market there before 5 p.m. or whatever time they will take it there. Me, I'm just watching, because around level 0 they are consolidating, and if they are consolidating, big boss, I know how to trade the bank levels. I am avoiding it. This was the number 1 level here. We sold from there, came to level 0, go back to 0.5, sell. You can see clean price action using the bank levels I gave you. Purely bank level trading. Purely bank level trading, bruh. Sometimes when I see a big candle purge in there are usually 3 buy candles which form. Then market shifts immediately, touch that 0 level again, and then boom, sells. That is a pattern which I know it forms around the 0 level. So if you are watching me, I don't know who is watching me. I have simu yangu nimetupa uko mbali. So if you are watching me, I have said attention to 43.20. Attention to 43.20. You can see when market tries to break that line, and how the reaction of market around the bank level 0, which is not supposed to be happening. Yeah, market, when it taps the bank levels, it should be aggressive like this. You can see bank level -1. Market just tapped using time, and then coming down. You can see this tap of level 0.5, tap and then sell. There should be no consolidation around that zone. It should be just tapping and reversing immediately, or into continuation trade with high speed. I have talked so much, like I've been live streaming for how many hours? Let me go and check. And I have not even gotten even 1 trade. That's why I usually tell you trading is boring. Ndakuwa nakuja na wapigia story tukingojanga signal. So yeah, that's why most of the time if I see a signal, like I will just enter full margin, because unless I'm doing scalping. If I'm doing scalping, you can see I could have sold here, tried to buy here, tried to sell there, but now here I was not in the market here, but I would have tried to sell from there, and here I would have tried to buy, scalp, small buy, 2 after 3 candles, but watching this candle not to be taken out. That is scalping. I don't even have time to give a scalping signal, because I just enter in like 10 minutes, I'm out. Yeah, there now. Seems they are using a level above it. It's okay. That level, there is a trader from South Africa. I don't know. His name is Raja Banks, or is what? Can't see. See now. See what's happening. Big selling candle. 1 minute candle. Why? Market is from banking level